Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, truck enthusiasts. If you're looking to elevate your GMC Sierra 1500, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best bed covers for your ride. These picks will not only protect your cargo but also enhance your truck's style and functionality. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the best options on the market. Check the link in the description below. Number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, your go-to solution for superior protection and style for your 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 new body style with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this cover features a dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl paired with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its patented design incorporates pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that conveniently fold up with the cover, granting full bed access when needed. Installation is a breeze with the included stainless steel clamps, requiring no drilling and backed by clear instructions. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, this cover guarantees peace of mind and protection for your truck bed. Say hello to unmatched quality and functionality with the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Number 2. Orano Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover, crafted to elevate your driving experience with unparalleled convenience and style. Specifically designed for the 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1500 new body style with a fleet-side 5.8-foot bed, this cover seamlessly integrates into your truck, providing a snug fit and a sleek appearance. Engineered with double-layer PVC, it withstands harsh weather conditions while maintaining its integrity, ensuring your cargo stays protected from snow and dust. The pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps guarantee a hassle-free installation process, requiring no extra tools or drilling. Moreover, its aerodynamic design not only enhances your truck's aesthetics but also boosts fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both functionality and savings. Elevate your driving experience with the Orano Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover, the ultimate solution for GMC Sierra 1500 owners in search of the best bed cover. Number 3. Amazon Basics Soft Rollup Tonneau Cover, designed specifically for 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra 1500, and 2015 to 2018 Silverado Sierra 2500/3500 HD trucks with a 6.5-foot bed length. Crafted with premium materials, including tear-resistant double-sided vinyl and OE-grade rubber Q seals, this cover ensures a weather-tight seal, keeping your cargo safe from the elements. Its 6063 grade aluminum frame provides exceptional durability, while the Terraline marine-grade stitching reinforces its resilience against harsh conditions. Thanks to its roll-up design and snap-clip fasteners, storage and access are effortless. With compatibility for bed liners and simple installation that requires no tools and takes less than 5 minutes, this cover offers both convenience and reliability. For GMC Sierra 1500 owners seeking the best bed cover option, the Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a top choice. Number 4. DNA Motoring TTC RU033 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, your ultimate solution for 99-06 Silverado/Sierra 1500 2500 3500 and HD models with 6.5-foot beds, including 07 Silverado/Sierra HD Classic models. Engineered for fleet-side/style-side models, this cover offers hassle-free installation with included clamps and adjustable tension for a snug fit, without the need for cutting or drilling. Experience improved aerodynamics for increased speed and gas savings, thanks to its durable construction and rubber weather seals. Velcro edges ensure a secure seal against the truck bed, while the ultra-lightweight design, less than 30 pounds, ensures strength and durability. Enjoy a show-level appearance in all weather conditions, with model-specific designs and anti-curl corners. Upgrade your GMC Sierra 1500 with the best in bed covers, the DNA Motoring TTC RU033. Number 5. Flamey Tano Cover Soft Roll-Up, the perfect bed cover solution for your 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500. Designed specifically for the 5.8-foot bed, this cover boasts broad compatibility and easy installation without the need for drilling, thanks to the included tools and instructions. Crafted with OEM-grade materials and stitched with high tear strength nylon thread, it offers superior protection against wind and rain, ensuring your cargo remains dry and secure in any weather. The soft roll-up design allows for convenient access to your truck bed, maximizing storage space while keeping items safe. Plus, with Flamey's top-notch customer service and a 3-year warranty, you can trust in both the product and support. Say hello to durability, functionality, and peace of mind with the Flamey Tano Cover Soft Roll-Up. In conclusion, finding the best bed cover for your GMC Sierra 1500 involves considering your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's durability, security, or style, there's a cover out there to suit your truck perfectly. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates. Stay tuned, the next video is loading.